If your Squarespace site is showing an error, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest way to figure out what's causing it and how to fix it step by step. We'll start by checking whether the issue is happening everywhere or just on your device, because that tells you right away if the problem is with Squarespace or with your browser. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website troubleshooting tutorials. First, check the official Squarespace status page. Right now, the status page reports that all servers are fully operational, which means there is no active global outage. So if Squarespace is up for everyone else, the issue is most likely on your side. And that's good news because it usually means the fix is simple. Next, open your site in an incognito or private browser window. This is one of the best quick tests because it disables some cached data and browser extensions. If your Squarespace site loads correctly in incognito mode, that usually means your regular browser cache is corrupted or some browser setting is interfering. In that case, go ahead and clear your browser's cookies, cache, and history. Then fully close and restart the browser before trying again. This can solve a lot of strange Squarespace login, editor, and loading errors. If the issue is still happening, the next step is to disable browser extensions. Ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and other add-ons can often prevent the Squarespace editor or site scripts from loading properly. Turn those extensions off one by one, then refresh your site and test again. If the error disappears after disabling an extension, you've found the cause. Another very important thing to check is your domain setup. If you connected or purchased your domain within the last 48 hours, Squarespace may still be processing the security certificate. That means your site might show an error temporarily, even if everything is set up correctly. In many cases, this fixes itself automatically once the certificate finishes generating. So, if your domain is brand new, sometimes the best move is simply to wait and check again later. So to recap, start by confirming the outage is not platform-wide. Test the site in incognito, clear your cache if that works, disable extensions if needed, and remember that new domains can take time before the certificate fully activates. Follow those steps in order, and you'll usually find the reason Squarespace is failing to load. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more simple fixes, website troubleshooting tips, and step-by-step guides.